Hello and welcome to another Kikuyu lesson with Teacher Martin. So I know it has been some time since we had a lesson together, but I hope that you have continued to practice the little you know from the materials that I share here on this YouTube channel and other channels. Yes, so today we are going to learn some common short Kikuyu statements, okay, that can help you to make a good conversation. Good. So before we start, make sure that you have subscribed. Make sure that you are going to like this video. Make sure that you comment and share with others so that we can learn Kikuyu language together. So welcome. To start with, we have the first statement here. The first statement there is number 1. Orauga atia. Orauga atia. Orauga atia. Orauga atia. What are you saying? Wauga atia. Wauga atia. Wauga atia. Wauga atia. Wauga atia. What did you say? Number 3. Direda godie. Direda godie. Direda godie. Direda godie. I want to go. Number 4. Negoka darikia. Negoka darikia. Negoka darikia. I will come once done. Number 5. Okahaha. 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 Come here. Number 6. Thie haria. Thie haria. Thie haria. Go there. Number 7. Higa murago. Higa murago. Close the door. Number 8. Higura murago. Higura murago. Higura murago. Open the door. Number 9. Higa dirisha. Higa dirisha. Higa dirisha. Higa dirisha. Higa dirisha. Close the window. Number 10. Higora dirisha. Higora dirisha. Higora dirisha. Open the window. Number 11. Umahau. 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 Get away from there. Umahaha. Get away from here. Umahau. Get away from there. Umahaha. Get away from here. Number 12. Kuhakuhereria. 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 Come near. Come near. Number 13. Dathie thukuru. Dathie thukuru. I'm going to school. Dathie thukuru. Number 14. Dathie guthaka. Dathie guthaka. I'm going to play. Number 15. Dathie fata. Dathie kahinda. Dathie fata. Dathie fata. Dathie kahinda. I'm going to washroom. Number 16. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. give me permission. Number 17. Ndikwenda, ndikwenda, ndikwenda. I don't want, I don't want. Ndikwenda, ndikwenda. I don't want. Number 18. Ndĩhathire wakwa, ndĩhathire wakwa, ndĩhathire wakwa. Pay my debt, pay my debt. Ndĩhathire wakwa. Number 19. Thiĩ ũgakome, thiĩ ũgakome, thiĩ ũgakome. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Number 20. Tiga gũthumbũra, tiga gũthumbũra, tiga gũthumbũra. Stop disturbing me. Number 21. Number 21. Ndĩ mũrwaru, ndĩ mũrwaru, ndĩ mũrwaru, ndĩ mũrwaru. I'm sick, I'm sick. Ndĩ haha nja, ndĩ haha nja, ndĩ haha nja, ndĩ haha nja. I'm here outside, or I'm outside. Ndĩ mwega, ndĩ mwega, ndĩ mwega, ndĩ mwega. I'm good, ndĩ mwega, I'm good, ndĩ mwega, I'm good. Number 24. Thiĩ ũkarĩe, thiĩ ũkarĩe. Go eat, go eat, go eat, go eat. The next. Go eat. Thiĩ ũkarĩe. We go to another one. We go to another one. We learn more from down here. So we have two pictures there. The first person is a teacher. A teacher in Kikuyu, teacher is Murutani, 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 Murutani. The second one, we have a doctor or a physician. Morigiti, Morigiti, Mo-ri-gi-ti, Morigiti. We go to the next. We go to the next. First picture, we have a policeman. Policeman. Mothigari, 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 Mothigari. Policeman. The second one, we have a thief. A thief. Moishi, Moishi, Mo-i-shi, Moishi, Moishi. We go to the next. This one, in the first picture, you have parents. 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 Ashiari. Ashiari. In the second one, we have children. Shiana. Shiana. Children. Shiana. We go to the next. We have the first one, where we have a driver. Driver. derefa, 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 derefa. The second one we have agag, agag, mokora, 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 mokora. The first one here we have aprisha, aprisha, mohuja, 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 aprisha. In the second one we have a king or a president, Muthamaki, 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 Muthamaki. And that will bring us to the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much for attending today's classroom. If you want to contact me for more classes which are premium and paid for, you can reach me via email martinkarali@gmail.com or contact me via my mobile number, which is +254 718 317 877. If you want to find this channel on YouTube, it is Teacher Martin. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and for choosing me to teach you the famous Kikuyu language. May God bless you and do you good. Support this work and we will continue growing. Bye bye.